How's it going, YouTube? Mr. Reshoevn8r here, back at it for another cleaning video on these Ultraboost here. We're gonna put these things in the washing machine using our advanced 3-brush laundry system. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's 2019. We're doing some cool giveaways every month again this year. So make sure you subscribe, follow us, leave a message, leave a comment below if you have a pair of Ultraboost and you've used our laundry system, and let us know what you think of the product. So let's go ahead and get started. Today we'll be cleaning the right shoe. Go ahead and put this over here. First thing we're gonna do, take some of the cleaning solution, make some bubbles. Next thing, take the shoe tree here, adjust it to size, like so. What that's gonna allow you to do is apply pressure to the toe box, get a good clean, take the laces out. Go ahead and set this aside here. All right, now that we got a clean workspace in front of us, I'm gonna go ahead and take the soft bristle brush. It's gonna be the first brush we use today. Being that these are knit material, Ultraboost, this material is super delicate, and then we'll go on to the medium bristle. So let's go. I have no idea if this multicolor toe box is gonna bleed, so we'll find out shortly. Make sure you get in the crevices. Tell you what, don't be afraid to wear your shoes. Just get Reshoevn8r. Reshoevn8r will do its job cleaning your shoes for you. So all of you that get your shoes and you're afraid to wear them, don't be afraid. Just get our product. Also, if you have any questions about a pair of shoes that you're trying to clean or afraid to clean at home, be sure to reach out to us on social media, IG. So that looks pretty good for the initial pass with the soft bristle brush. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the medium or all-purpose brush here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the uppers very gently with this brush on any section that I see a little bit more dirt and stains, and then I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the midsole. When using this brush though, on this particular shoe, I'm only gonna use the bristles going one direction. As you can see, it snags, and it will ruin the material if you try to go back and forth. Now that we did that, these shoes are looking pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the midsole with the stiff bristle brush. Okay, go ahead and take these laces, dunk them in here. These turned out pretty good already. Actually, I do see some dirt on the inner lining here, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the soft bristle brush and get that inner lining. It's one of the nice things about using a laundry system too. If you got stinky feet, clean those things right up. Ask Johnny Bubbles, he knows. That's pretty much gonna be it. This is a good pre-treat to really get in here. The washing machine's gonna help. They look pretty good right now, but it'll really help make these pop and bring them back white. Go ahead and throw the lace in there like so. That's that. onto the washing machine for the final step. We'll be back in a minute.
Tomorrow.
All right, we're back, YouTube. Thank you for staying tuned. We basically cleaned these yesterday, let them dry overnight. They look awesome. Basically, pretty much brand new. We did this with our advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system here, our advanced laundry detergent. This is really the only way to clean these effectively. If you use just a brush and solution like some other products, all you're gonna do is get a dingy look. It's not gonna get bright white. You need to get water in, get that dirt out of there, and that is what the washing machine does super effectively. It is 2019. We want to thank you. We're going to hit 1 million subscribers this year, and that is because of you. Very, very excited for this year. Thank you very much. I'm out.